Hi students, a very good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to discuss next topic, okay, that is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Okay, in previous class we had already discussed a topic distance, displacement and difference between distance and displacement. Okay, now let's see here. Your topic is uniform motion. First we recall that what is motion. You know that motion means what? Object when change its position with respect to time and with respect to some specific point, that is known as reference point or origin, then the object is said to be in motion, or we can say that the object performing motion. Clear? But this is a types of motion. Types of motion means there are two types with respect to covering distance. Okay, there are two types of motion. First one is uniform and second one is non-uniform motion. Okay, let's first, you know that what the meaning of uniform. What do you mean by uniform? Uniform means equal. So you can say that in motion there are two terms: covering distance and in some time. Okay, these two terms are there. Uniform is equal. Okay, so how you define uniform motion means we can say that if a person covering a distance, equal distance, in equal interval of time, then we can say that the object performing uniform motion, or the object is said to be in uniform motion. Clear? Very easy. How you can define? Simply, uniform means what? Equal. What? How you can say that? Equal. When any object performing motion or covering a equal distance in equal interval of time, then we can say that the object is performing uniform motion, or we can say that object is in uniform motion. Clear? So you can write it. Write down, if any object performing a motion and it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, Clear? If any object performing a motion and it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then object is said to be in uniform motion. Okay, clear? Okay. After this, we can also draw the graph for uniform motion. So first we know that there is two axes. This is what? X axis, and this is Y axis. Okay, you have to make this graph with the help of scale. Okay, now after putting, this is the origin point. Okay, that is represented by O or 0. Okay, Now we can write here, this is distance axis in meter and this is time axis in second. Clear? Now you write here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, okay, and so on, 18. Same here, you also see that, or also see that what? The distance between these two lines are always be uniform, means are always be equal. Clear? Same here, you can write here what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Okay. Now after that, suppose you can let us suppose that an object performing a motion and it covers 2-meter distance in 1 second, means you can write it cross like this and here. Okay, object covering a distance 2-meter in 1 second and after it cover 4-meter again in 2 seconds. See that here to here 2-meter and again from here to here 2-meter, means this 2-meter is covered in 1 second and this 2-meter is also covered in 1 second. See here 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 second, means in every 1 second the distance covered is also same. Here again see here, okay, this is point. Okay, this is a point, this is a point, this is a point, this is a point. Okay, means always 2-meter is changes and it covers 2-meter in every or each second. Okay, clear? Now this is the point and you can make a line to connect this point and you can see that this line is in a straight, this line is a straight line. Okay, this form a straight line. It shows that this straight line slope shows that the object performing uniform motion. Means if anyone asks you what is the nature of graph for uniform motion, you write nature of graph for uniform motion is always straight line. Clear? Clear? And after that, in next class, we can also say that what this slope is also known as speed slope, because this is a graph of distance and time, and distance time graph gives this speed. Okay, clear? And if the object is uniform, then speed always be constant. Clear? So if anyone asks you what is the nature of graph for uniform motion, you can also always say that what the nature of graph for uniform motion is straight line. Clear? Okay, note down it. Okay, class. Now, next topic. After this, next topic we will discuss, that is non-uniform motion. That is non-uniform motion. Clear? That is non-uniform motion. Clear? Simply, there is also non-uniform means unequal. Non-uniform means unequal. What is unequal? You know that speed, time always be constant. Time is not unequal. But what is unequal? A covering distance is unequal. So you can say that what? Unequal distance in equal interval time. So you can say that unequal distance in equal interval time. To write here, if any object performing a motion and it covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be in then it is said to be then object is said to be in non-uniform motion. Clear? If any object performing motion and covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then object is said to be non-uniform motion. Simply, only difference is what? Unequal distance. Uniform में equal distance travel करता है, cover करता है, और in non-uniform motion it covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. Same here, you also make the graph for non-uniform motion. Graph for non-uniform motion. Graph for non-uniform motion. Same here you make what? Again this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Again I am saying you also you make this graph with the help of scale. Okay. Here this is 0, our origin point. This is time axis. This is time axis in second. This is distance in meter. Clear? Now this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? First, 2 meter it covers in 1 second. 2 meter it covers in 1 second. Clear? 2 meter it covers in 1 second. And next, 6 in another second it covers 6 meter or from the origin in next second, means in 2 seconds it covers what? 6 meter. Clear? And after it covers 8 meter in next second. 8 meter in next second. Clear? And next, second it covers. Okay, means if you make this graph or you can connect this line, then what this line shows that first this line goes like this, okay, then after it goes like this, and after it goes like this, and then after it goes like this. What you see that if you make this graph, it is what? This slope is in zigzag like position. Okay, zigzag like means what? It looks like a curved portion. Okay, it looks like a curved portion. Then you can say that the nature of non-uniform graph, is what? Is curved line. Clear? Okay, note down it. Okay. Okay, clear? Okay, now we will discuss some questions which is given on the page number, test question which is given on the page number. Okay, that is test question. See everyone. First question says that what? First question says that an object has moved in test question. First question says that an object has moved through a distance. Can it have zero displacement? An object has moved through a distance. Can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer. Means ये कह रहा है. This says that this question says that what? कोई object है, any object is there, it covers some distance. Then after it can say, it asks say that can it have zero displacement? क्या ये इसके पास zero displacement हो सकता है अगर वो कुछ distance travel करता है? If yes, अगर displacement zero होता है, so you give some example which support your answer. Clear? So simple. If object has moved through a distance, If object has moved through distance, yes, it have a zero displacement. Means your answer is what? Yes, it have a zero displacement. कब ऐसा कब पॉसिबल होगा? It has zero displacement when आपको प्रीवियस क्लास में बताया गया है in previous class it was already said that what discussed it have a zero displacement. Yes, it have zero displacement when initial and final position of object is same, then it is possible. Okay, means ऐसा तभी पॉसिबल होगा जब ऑब्जेक्ट का इनिशियल डिस्टेंस फाइनल डिस्टेंस पे कोइंसाइड कर जाए, ओके, या सेम हो जाए. Means if you take an example, then you can say that if here is a point A and any object is moving covering some distance, it goes point B and it goes point C, and after that it again come at point A. Means initial and final position of object is same. So displacement is zero. Clear? Understood? Okay, note down. Okay, class. Now there are other two questions are there. In next class we will discuss that questions, and all of you revise your topics which we discussed today and in previous class, and you also have write the difference between distance and displacement. Okay, clear all of you? Okay, thank you to everyone.